thing I know, I have almost 3,900 subscribers, and I got almost 400,000 views. So, yeah, I know it. That's all. It's all good. Yeah. Yeah, if you ask me a question, I answer it. The guy asked me a question. He says, "Why am I so serious?" Because I was concentrating on wiping the wax off this before it dried and answering his question. So if he took offense, I apologize. I don't mean to offend nobody. Uh, just I was answering a question and trying to wipe the stuff off this before it dried on here. Because if it don't, it leaves a smeary, hazy mess on everything. So, yep. So, yep. People don't take offense if I answer your question. Yeah. Yep. Yesterday in my live stream, I ran this outside. Today it's not good. Oh, I will. This channel does pretty good. I'm starting to get. I went to the store today and with my wife, and I was walking to get some batteries, and I had a couple come in there, and they were said, "Do they know me from somewhere?" And I asked them if they watch YouTube. They said, "Yeah, we're married to YouTube." And I said, "Do you follow a guy named Trail Rider?" And she says, "Oh, it is you." And I talked to him, and finally my wife had to call me because the time I got done talking, she was done shopping. So, yep, I do get recognized a little bit here and there. It's kind of cool to do that. Ain't like I'm a superstar or anything like that, but it's kind of nice when people, uh, you run into subscribers. So, yep. Yeah, I don't know how long I'll be on here, guys. 4 o'clock, 4:30 will be my next one. That'll be the last one, and I'm not even sure I'm gonna be able to do that one at that time. So that's why I popped on now. So, yep, we got the FJ. They got this done. Got the tracks. That one done. That one actually needs to go underneath here. Hold on, I gotta do some place musical cars here. There, it's gone. The truck is gone. Where'd it go? I put it up there. There we go. It's cleaned off. Yep, we got 7 watching. It actually wasn't too bad. I thawed it out, let it thaw out a little bit, and about 20 minutes I had it done. It wasn't that bad. I even got the. Remember, I was commenting about the speed control in it, and I had to reprogram it. Well, I even got the speed control programmed on it, and everything the way I set it, and I turned the BEC voltage up on it, and I did all that and cleaned it in about 20 minutes. So it wasn't terrible. Snow's fairly clean. I had a little bit of crap threw up on the roof, a little bit on the roof there, but other than that, I used that spray stuff and I just wiped it down, cleaned up the suspension and the inside of the body, the chassis, and it was good. Yep, it was all good.